Hi, this is my voice. Yes. Okay. Roblox. Okay, this is my voice. I'm doing a voice review. Comment down below if you want my, what do I say, face review. Okay. Wait, I'll come back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna do like flamingo. I'm gonna scream if I tower over hell. Angry face. I don't know. Wait, why is my friends? Okay. Gonna play Survivor for this video. Maybe I'll do a part 2 if you want. Like and sub, turn on notifications and comment, and done. Maybe nothing. Okay. I'm making a video. They're probably gonna think they're gonna vote people out to not have Roblox like that. I think about that. I'm pretty good in Survivor. Roblox. Okay. That's what they're thinking in their mind. They're probably gonna vote me out because I don't have Robux. Probably. Oh, ever. What the fuck am I saying? Just shut my mouth and just play. Dun. Round and round. I'm not. Comment down below how old you are. I am 9, and you guys. I think that this guy says are like Richie babies. Huh? What? Wait, we're teleporting! Finally! My voice reveal. My favorite color is red, aka blue. Okay, let's just play. Campfire on my name. Flamingo fan. Hello. If you guys like Flamingo, comment down below. I sub to his channel. Please sub to Flamingo because his channels are funny and fun. He sometimes troll people with fun. Me and Walker and team, please. Okay, but don't vote me. Don't vote me. Okay, then don't. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Help me. Okay, I don't want to sit. F! Where am I sitting? Ah! I'm dying. Roblox. I'm probably gonna say almost in the whole video. Roblox. Guys, I'm gonna do a face reveal if we get to 20 subs or 100, I don't know. Okay? The game is about to start. Not what the fucking internet is not working of that guy. Sorry for the swear. cannot hold it. Vote bunny out. Eat. Redemption. Okay. Sorry about that. That music is annoying. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can. Can you even hear me, guys? Well, no. What? That new? They're not actually in the team, but they're noobs. Vote me. Please. Pick me, Luke. Please pick me, Luke. Please. Best. And a pro. I'm tired. What the fuck? Why are you tired if you are a noob? Sorry for saying you're a noob. That was just a joke. Rokes! Sorry. What am I having? What the shit am Why am I saying the? Oh yes, I'm good at hobbies. Sorry for that. I am good at hobbies. Next, I don't know. I never show my face to YouTube. This is my first time. I don't know. I'm gonna vote the person that sucks. Like this noob. Do it! I'm going. I should never vote you. I almost. Sorry. I probably gonna. There's probably gonna come blood out of my mouth. Ah! I hate this! What the fuck am I doing? Okay. Ah! Wait, okay? I'm just gonna come back. Just gonna come back. Yeet! In a minute. I lose again! Sorry for that. I was just making my assistant was here. And I lose again! How? F. Did we win? No, fuck. No. We lost. I'm gonna come back. Wait. I'm back. What the shit? Okay. Bunny. Bunny. Vote. Bunny. Vote Bunny. Vote Bunny. Vote Bunny. Why? Ah! Why? Traitors! No! Why? I was so